What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Polygon Matic. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this coin. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you several bullish signs that we might have for our upcoming trend reversal. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video somewhere at this point when we have at the range of about $2.14 and it is the Fibonacci retracement level of 0.65 and it is the golden pocket, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal. And I've told you that we should finish our ABC correction and we might have one more leg to the upside, and this leg is right here in my opinion, and we are pretty much finished the entire C wave. And C wave should have a shape of 5-wave structure in it, and for now we have something like this. Potentially this is our first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth, and we might even have a tiny leg to the downside to finish the entire internal fifth wave in the C wave, and this means we might hover for quite some time in the ranges of $2 price point. And on top of that, it is a very good psychological number. So I will show you what should we expect next in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. Let's start with the total market cap. For now, we are hovering at $1.98 trillion of total market cap, and as you can see, we broke $2 trillion range, and it is a 3.21% decrease over the last day. And as you can see, major cryptocurrencies are in red, and especially they are deeply in red on 7 days period. Bitcoin lost about 12%, Ethereum lost about 17%, and Binance lost about 17.7%, and the Binance even becomes a fourth biggest coin. It lost one position, and the Tether for now is on the third place. So let's continue with the Polygon numbers. For now, it has $14.4 billion of total market cap. It is a 4.26% decrease during last 24 hours. And the total tradable volume is $1.33 billion, and it is a 30.68% decrease over last 24 hours. So we have this movement to the downside with decreasing volume, and it is quite good sign from the technical standpoint because we don't have much sellers who push the price down, and this means potentially we might nearing the trend reversal. So let's continue with the fundamental news related to Polygon, and this news was published on New.Today. And it's titled "Polygon Matic gas fees rocketed due to this game," and it was published on January the 8th. And I already covered this in news by itself, but we still have this news as our main bearish news directly related to Polygon. And it is a sunflower farmer's game that eating the majority of Matic's resources. And it is quite bad sign. On top of that, right here on the Polygon's Matic official Twitter page, they added several new tweets that are describing the current situation. And let me quote you this. A quick update and recommendations on the current state of Polygon POS. Polygon Proof of Stake is a permissionless network, and it is working as expected. There is high level of activity, mainly from bots farming on some DeFi apps. Transaction fees are still very low, from 10 cents to 50 cents per transaction. Second update. Polygon teams are working on multiple solutions to improve capabilities of the platform. EIP 1559 improves the fee market. Polygon POS version 3 introduces significant architecture improvements. ZK-based solutions increase throughput. Polygon SDK offers app-specific chains. Next add-on. Additionally, devs and users are advised to implement bot prevention in apps, UIs, run their own nodes, use Polygon RPC.com, RPC aggregator or dedicated RPC accounts. Use Retry logic for transaction via services such as Infurus ITX. And the last one, Polygon is and will always remain permissionless. The community should make an effort to use it responsibly. So, I think it is a temporary issue for Polygon and for its network, but still it is quite huge bearish pressure that is pushing the price of Matic coin down for now. So, and let's continue with the positive news. On U.Today, we have this article that is titled Matic Whale holding 20 million tokens buys extra $10 million worth. And let me quote you this. According to Whale Stats, a large entity presently holding almost 20 million Matic acquires 4.84 million tokens or $10.8 million worth at the time of purchase. In two large transactions, the whale ranking 292nd among the top 1000 ETH wallets tracked by Whale Stats purchased the tokens as the market continues its sell-off. The first transaction of roughly 2.6 million Matics or $5.8 million worth occurred about 18 hours ago. This second transaction of the 2.2 million Matic or around $5 million worth followed nearly 4 hours after. So, very good news. And on top of that, let me show you this one, that Bitcoin whales are increasingly buying the dip despite BTC on the verge of sinking below 40,000K. And let me quote you these bullets. BTC whales increase holdings. Bitcoin price remains stuck at $40,000 amid fears that the new bottom could be 38K. Whale activity has been on the rise since November last year. And let me show you that the third largest Bitcoin account adds 456 BTC. And for now, it has more than 122.5 thousand of Bitcoin, and it is worth of over $5.1 billion. And on top of that, other whales increased their position, and they hold 321 and 1,299 Bitcoins respectively. On top of that, Tron founder Justin Sun encouraged followers to buy Bitcoin 2 days ago, expressing plans to purchase 100 himself. And he tweeted, "Now is the best time to build and buy. Let's BTFD. I am going to buy 100 BTC." So, I think we are nearing the local bottom, at least the local bottom. This means we might consider that somewhere near we might have a trend reversal. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. First of all, guys, let me show you that we hit this range that I marked previously. It is a strong support line that the price of Polygon Matic respects pretty good, and we might see some kind of breakout below this range. As you can see right here, we even hover for quite some time below this level, but still this range should hold in order to remain bullish. And for now, I think we might see at least some kind of bounce to the upside in order to unload this movement to the downside. As you can see, during this latest movement south, we have diminishing volume, and it is a good sign, as I already mentioned, because we don't have much bearish pressure from sellers who can push the price down. So, what should you do if you want to enter the position? First of all, in my opinion, from this range we might have a bounce, and this bounce, let me delete unnecessary tools, and this bounce might land right here. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom, if this bottom holds, we might have a bounce to the range of, I think, $2.21. It is a 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. But also, we should take a look on the volume. If the volume with this movement to the upside will be significantly higher than we had previously, this means potentially we might have next leg to the upside that will lead to much higher targets. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. The Polygon is acting exactly as I predicted. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!